Cricket isn't just about hitting sixes or taking wickets. It's about brains. Some players have used pure genius to outsmart the opposition, pulling off moments that left everyone stunned. Let's check out the smartest plays in cricket history. Ben Stokes' human wall in the Ashes. Usman Khawaja was dominating. Ben Stokes built a human wall with 6 fielders. Khawaja tried to clear them, missed, and was bowled. A brilliant twist that changed the game in seconds. MS Dhoni's clutch run-out. 2016 T20 World Cup. Last ball against Bangladesh. Instead of throwing, Dhoni sprinted with the ball himself and ran the batter out. India won by 1 run. Pure instinct, pure IQ. Jaunty Rhodes' flying run-out. 1992 World Cup. Inzamam ul-Haq thought he had an easy single. Rhodes sprinted, launched himself full length and hit the stumps mid-air. Game-changing brilliance. Michael Nazar's boundary catch Big Bash League. Nazar caught a ball outside the boundary, tossed it up, stepped back in, and completed the catch. Physics-defying, unforgettable. A.B. de Villiers' 360-degree innovation. A.B. turned Yorkers into scoops, wide balls into reverse sweeps. Bowlers thought they had him figured out, but his mind was always ahead, predicting every move. Conclusion: cricket is more than skill, it's strategy. A single spark of genius can flip a game, shock the opposition, and make history. These moments prove why cricket IQ matters as much as raw talent.